Join me as I take on the challenge of growing the fastest veggies possible in tiny spaces using the latest 2024 secrets. If you're like me, you're passionate about growing your own veggies, but you're limited by the space you have available. Maybe you live in an apartment, or you have a small backyard. But that shouldn't stop you from enjoying the benefits of homegrown produce. With the right techniques, you can maximize your garden area and grow a bounty of delicious veggies, even in the smallest of spaces. One of the biggest challenges we face as gardeners with limited space is soil quality. The soil in our gardens can be depleted of nutrients, making it difficult for our veggies to thrive. And let's be honest, it's hard to find the time and energy to amend the soil properly. But it's crucial for growing healthy, fast-paced veggies. Another challenge is sunlight. Most veggies need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight to grow well, but what if you're working with a shaded area? How can you ensure your veggies get the light they need? Crop yield is another major issue. When you have limited space, you want to make the most of it. You want to be able to harvest a bountiful crop from a small area. But how do you achieve that? What secrets can you use to increase your yield and grow more veggies in less space? And finally, there's the issue of pests and diseases. When you're growing veggies in close proximity, it can be easy for pests and diseases to spread quickly, wiping out your entire crop. But don't worry, I'm about to share some innovative methods and techniques that will help you overcome these challenges and start growing faster, healthier veggies in your small space. One of the coolest methods I've discovered is vertical gardening. By using trellises, arbors, or wall-mounted planters, you can grow veggies upwards, maximizing your space and adding a decorative element to your garden. Another technique is container gardening. This involves using pots, tubs, or planters to grow your veggies, allowing you to move them around to maximize sunlight and soil quality. Using quality soil amendments is also crucial for growing healthy, fast-paced veggies. By incorporating organic matter like compost, manure, or peat moss into your soil, you can improve its structure, increase its water-holding capacity, and provide essential nutrients for your veggies. And did you know that some soil amendments can even help repel pests and diseases? For example, neem oil is a natural pesticide that can be used to control a wide range of pests. So, what are the top 3 secrets for accelerating veggie growth in small spaces? First, use a high-quality potting mix specifically designed for small space gardening. These mixes are usually formulated to retain moisture, reduce soil compaction, and provide essential nutrients for your veggies. Second, utilize a trellising system to grow vining veggies like peas, beans, and tomatoes. This will not only maximize your space but also add a decorative element to your garden. And third, make use of microgreens. These are young, nutrient-dense versions of leafy greens and other veggies that can be harvested in as little as 1 week. So, to recap, by using innovative methods and techniques like vertical gardening, container gardening, and quality soil amendments, you can overcome the challenges of growing veggies in small spaces and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Remember, it's all about maximizing your space, using the right techniques, and providing your veggies with the love and care they need to thrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your own gardening tips and tricks. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on urban gardening techniques and small space gardening secrets.